Welcome this video. Video title is Create Your Honor Oasis. Building a smart guest house in today's fast paced world. The connect of house have evolved beyond just a place to live. It's have become a century or retreat from the chaos of daily life and a space for relaxation and rejuvenation. As such, the idea of building a smart guest house of your property have going popular. Often both homeowner and guest a unique and ultimate experience, whether it's for host, friend, and family, or as an adding to income through short digit. A smart guest house can provide numerous benefits. We explore the perfect of building a smart guest house and the considering involving and create your own oasis. Plan and design. Like any construction project, building a smart guest house beyond with careful plan and thoughtful design. The first step is to determine the perfect of the guest house and how it will be used. Well, it serves as a provide retreat for guests and a rental popular or a multifunctional space. One of the proposed is enable consider the size and layout of the guest house. While it should be compact, it should also be comfortable and functional. Think about the embracing your words to include such as a bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and invite area shelled out a floor plan that optimizes the available space while provide and considering your guest. Choose material and constructions. When it's come to build a smart guest house, durability, effect, and aesthetic and key considering other far high quality material that can withstood the elements and request main interest advising considering energy different such as glow window and effect to reduce and impact depend on your budget and perfect your mean choose transition construction or affect alternate tranquility such as or modern construction that material open fast construction timeline or mean beyond most cost effective that tranquility building considering interior design and finish. The interior design of your guest house should reflect the overall aesthetic of your perfect world, provide a welcome and comfortable entertain for guests. Choose the color pattern, functional and decor that complement the reference of your main resistance. When select finish and embrace quality functional, the space save solved other of multi-purpose furniture such as a soft bed and multi-bed to minimize space in the living area. Simplicity that compact applying a should functional for the furniture and bathroom to inode that fix seamless within the limited secured foot again. Landscape and outdoor living. Interest the appear of your smart guest house by incorporating outdoor living space and landscape function. Create a warm patio, doors and guest and relax and easy the natural surrounding. Add landscape interests such as term